8.46 multiplied by 1000. All silent, guys? Okay, then just sit. The question is 4 point. Arpita, Soumik, stop dogging. Focus here. Arpita, focus. So this is the question. 8.46 multiplied by 1000. Again, there are two types of method. One is like simple multiplication, and another method is removing point. So like if we have to remove the point, so how to remove point from here? First of all, we have to write down this number same to same without point. So how to write down? 846 divided by, first of all we have to write down 1. Now see, after point how many digits? So how many 0 we have to write down? 2. Then multiplied by 1000, multiplied by 1000. Then 20 and 20 will be cancelled. So what's remaining here? 846 multiplied by 10. Then next step, multiply this now. 846 ones are 846, and how many zeros are there? 1. So write down 1 0. So this is gonna be the answer. This will be the answer. Is this clear? For which? For which one? Ayush. I mean, if you have any confusion, so tell me now. I mean, okay, like if you're talking about decimal, okay, so let's apply decimal now. Let's see this one. This step is clear. 846 multiplied by what? 1000. 846 multiplied by 1000. What's the denominator? What's the denominator here? 100. So simply let's multiply this two number first. 6 ones are 6, 4 ones are 4, 8 ones are 8. Now how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. So how many 0 we have to apply? 1 2 3. Then divided by 100. And what the method I told you, if we have to apply decimal, so how to do that? First of all, we have to write down the numerator. So what's the numerator here? 846,000. Now how to apply point? Just check out in denominator how many zeros are there. How many zeros? 2. So after how many digits we have to apply point? 2 digits. First digit, second digit, and after that apply point. We know one thing, after point there is no value of 0. Point के बाद 0 का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. Now see this answer 8460. Is this clear now? In math, guys, math is different. For getting the answer there are so many ways. Okay, बहुत सारे मेथड से मैथ को हम कर सकते हैं, and all the methods are right. The condition is whichever method is easier for you, you can use that method. Is this clear? Yeah, I mean that method is also right, this method is also right. Okay, yeah, you can always, for math you can use that method also. Okay, like there is no problem with any method. You can, if you want, so you can use that method. Required number is equals to, then the condition, or let the missing number or let the other number be A, B, C, D, whatever that condition. Okay, question number first is clear to everyone? Is there anyone who had got problem in question number first? Okay, decimal